Good morning, traders. It's Monday, June the 16th, 2025, and here's your global commodities market briefing. Oil markets are surging as hostilities between Israel and Iran escalate, with Brent crude up over 2% to $75.76 a barrel, and WTI following suit after a 7% spike last Friday, the sharpest single-day gain in 5 years. The conflict has targeted energy infrastructure, raising fears of supply disruptions through the Strait of Hormuz. However, physical supply remains intact for now. If you're trading crude, expect continued volatility. Tighten stops, be ready to fade sharp moves, and monitor physical market differentials for early signs of real disruption. Gold is rallying, of course, as investors seek safety amid heightened geopolitical risk, with prices up sharply last week and holding near recent highs. Safe haven demand is strong, but profit-taking is possible if tensions ease. If you're trading precious metals, maintain a nimble stance. Use options to hedge downside, but be prepared to re-enter on renewed risk-off flows. Base metals continue to be mixed, with aluminium and lead outperforming amid supply concerns, while zinc and nickel lag. Copper is volatile, reflecting both supply risks and fluctuating industrial demand. If you're active in base metals, consider shorting laggards like zinc on rallies, but stay alert for upside in copper and aluminium if geopolitical or supply risks escalate. Grains are less volatile compared to energy and metals, but they still remain sensitive to weather and macro sentiment. With the US Federal Reserve set to announce its policy decision this week, traders are cautious, and any hawkish surprise could pressure risk assets. If you're trading grains, keep positions light and watch for technical reversals as macro signals shift. Geopolitically, the world is watching the Israel-Iran conflict, the G7 summit in Canada, and the US Federal Reserve meeting. Any escalation in the Middle East or unexpected policy signals from central banks will drive volatility across all asset classes. If you're trading oil, metals, or grains, today's geopolitical headlines and central bank signals are your key catalysts. Position for volatility, use options for risk management, and be ready to move fast as the news breaks.